In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a personal assistant. Let's get started. First, I click into the main text input field in the center of the ChatGPT interface. I paste my detailed primary prompt instructing the AI to act as an elite executive personal assistant. It details the exact formatting I want back, a chronological timeline, top 3 priorities, and communication drafts. I hit the send button to submit the system prompt. ChatGPT confirms it is ready and gives me a neat checklist to help organize my daily information dump. Now, I click back into the text box and add an optimizing parameter to refine my upcoming schedule for efficiency and realistic timing. I send the prompt, and the AI acknowledges it, asking for my current breakdown of hours, commitments, tasks, and energy levels. Next, I click the text area again and paste in a comprehensive personal update listing specific working hours, fixed family commitments, urgent task lists, and notes on current focus challenges. I click the send button to submit this dump. The assistant immediately gets to work, generating a highly structured, distraction-resistant daily plan complete with specific hourly focus blocks, precise goal reminders, strict rules to counter overthinking, and even predefined breaks. As I scroll down through the response, I see it has also automatically drafted application follow-up messages and strict execution rules to keep me on track. Finally, I noticed an option in the assistant's feedback suggesting a quick rewrite for my professional summary to keep it highly competitive. I click the prompt option to rewrite my resume into a fast, hireable version. The system processes the command and formats a clear, professional resume template tailor-made for a virtual assistant position, outlining summary details, core skills, structured fields for work experience, and actionable next steps. And that's how you do it: simple, clear, and very easy to follow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.